मॉर्निंग चिल्ड्रन, टुडे फॉर द थर्ड स्टैंडर्ड। आज हिंदी में मैं 3 लेसन्स, छोटे छोटे लेसन्स कर रही हूँ आपके साथ। पार्ट 14, 15 और 16, 14, 15 and 16. There are 3 small lessons which I am doing with you today in today's class. So you have to write all this in your classwork note. So coming to lesson number 14. In that today you are going to learn the matra of Anuswar. Anuswar means, children, Anuswar means this bindi over this A ki mantra. This A with the bindi, that is called as Anuswar. So Anuswar, when you put Anuswar in words, you pronounce it in this manner. H, S, Hans. You can get a slight n sound in that. This Hans. Hans means a duck. If you see in page number 32 of your Hindi book for 3rd standard, you can see a duck in the water. Hans means a duck. Then you come to Kans. You can see Kans over here with a sword. So it's actually King Kansa. Kansa was a king in the era of Krishna, Lord Krishna. He and this king had some enmity. So this Hansa is known as King Kansa. Kans. Then you have Danda. Danda means a stick, children. You can see in your book even it is here Danda. Danda means a stick. Then you have the word Jhanda. Jhanda is a flag. Jhanda means a flag. Then you have Angur. Angur is grapes. Angur is grapes. Then you have Patang. Patang is, children, kite. Patang means kite. So all these words have this Anuswar on top of them. This bindi over here. See all this bindi over here. So you pronounce it with this that sound comes there. Hans, Kans, Danda, Jhanda, Angur, Patang. So all this has a Anuswar on the top of this. You have to be careful of the bindi on the top. So this is only this thing in lesson number 14. You have to look at your book on page number 32 and write and learn these words. First you write it in your classwork note along with the English medium, and then you can along with the English translation, and then you can study and write 5 times in your rough note. The next small lesson that I'll take here is lesson number 15, part 15. 15, in this, children, you are going to learn the word Visarg. Visarg is nothing but the 2 bindis over here. When you say Visarg, it is nothing, only it is this 2 bindis. These 2 bindis is known as Visarg. So when you come to the words Pratah Kal. Pratah Kal. So you see these 2 bindis over here, children. These 2 bindis, Pratah Kal means morning. Pratah Kal means morning, and the Visarg is put over here. After Pratah, it comes, the Visarg is put. The Visarg means these 2 dots that come after A. The 2 dots that come after is called Visarg. Then Dukh. Dukh. You can see the Visarg over here. After Dukh, the Visarg is put here. Dukh means sad. Then this is Che. Che means, children, 6. Che means 6. So Visarg, Anuswar is only this bindi on the top here. Visarg is these 2 bindis on the side of a letter. So lesson number 15, there are only 3 examples given there. I want you to do this in your classwork note, write it down and take a picture. Then in page number 33, you have the Abhyas, you have your exercise. Khali stan mein sahi akshar bharo. So you have to write the words over here. You have to write the words. You have learned you have learned many words, no? Many akshars, you have learned many matras. So you just have to fill up the matras over here. So now here, like we had, you can check back into your books previous lesson and get the words from there and write it down. Like here, for example, I'll write Hathi. Hathi. You can write this. Then you can write Tala. These are all abhyas. So you have to fill up the blanks doing the abhyas. Look at the previous lessons, the previous matras that have been used, and do this as homework. On page number 33, children, do your homework in page number 33. Fill in the blanks. Okay, page number 33, do the Hindi homework, send it, take a picture and send it to Rohana ma'am on WhatsApp. Then there's another small lesson which I'm just touching today. It's lesson number 16. In lesson number 16, children, on page number 34, you have to look at these pictures and write the names. There is a pink color box given down here below. The names are there in the box. So now if I tell you what is this, who is this? You will say it's a man, correct? It's a man. So for a man, what do you write? So the first one for a man you write is Admi. First one, man, is known as Admi. Second, you can see a lady's picture here. Second is an Aurat. The second one is a Aurat. That's the second one. Then the third one, you can see a small baby crawling on the ground. That baby will be Bachcha. That is Bachcha. Third one is Bachcha. Fourth one, you can see a book. Yes, children. So what you will see, Hindi, what is a Hindi name for book? It is Kitab. So fourth is Kitab, means a book. You have to look at the picture and you have to write below that picture. Your clues are given in this pink color box, children. You can look at the pink color box and find the clues. Then the next one is pen. Pen is known as Kalam. Kalam in Hindi. After that we have a table. A table is known as Mej. Mej. That's a table in Hindi. Then you come to the chair. Chair, what is chair known as, children? Chair is known as a kursi. Kursi. Chair is known as kursi. You can see a fan here. Now fan is known as Pankha. Pankha. 8. And the ninth one, you can see a bed. It is known as a khat. In English it's called a cot, and in Hindi it is called a khat. So I have written the words according to the pictures. If you see the Mrs. video, you will be able to identify it accordingly. First is Admi, Aurat, Bachcha. Then you have your Kitab, Kalam, Mej, Kursi, Pankha, Khat. So you have to do this. So you will have to send me pictures of lesson number 14, 15 and 16. Lesson number 16, you can take a picture of what you've done on the textbook itself and send it to Rohana ma'am. The rest you have to write it in your classwork note. Do this homework, children, and take a picture, send it to me, and I will get back to you whether you all have written correctly or not. Okay, do this and send it on WhatsApp. Thank you.